Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up some parental controls for your Amazon Prime account. Because accidents happen, things happen. Sometimes you let the remote control in the sofa and the kids have access to it. It's better to have some caution with this, okay? So let's try to avoid some unwanted buys here. And I'm going to show you how you can do this now. You need to actually go to amazon.ca, and once that you are logged into your account, you will go where it says hello and your username, and then you will go to this drop down right here and you will go to your Prime Video. Once that you click on your Prime Video, you will go to your name, and in your name you will go to account and settings. Once that you are on your account, you will go to parental controls, and on your purchase restrictions you will click on okay? Once that you set off, that means that you are allowing to buy anything on your Amazon, okay? So right now I'm gonna show you that this works because we're going to try to buy a movie. Now I'm gonna go to store and I'm gonna attempt to buy this movie from the Polar Express here. I'm gonna click on buy, and it's asking me that code that I just set. Okay, so I will click on cancel because I don't want to buy it. But by the way, this movie is really great, and I mentioned it on my suggested movies for Christmas for the family to watch during these holiday times. If you are still in holiday or if you are in lockdown like us in Canada, this is a good one to watch, even if it's January already. Because I already have set up this, you will need to set up your Prime Video ping once that you click on the on option, okay? And I'm gonna show you that it also works on the TV. Okay, so here I am trying to buy a movie. Let's go to the upper menu and go to store, and let's go and click on this one. I'm gonna try to rent this movie, and it's asking me for the Prime Video ping. Okay, so this is working. And if you try to do it with the settings here, you won't be able to do it. Parental controls, if you click here, you need to go to a web browser because it won't work here. And it will actually tell you the steps that I just showed you. If you want to know more about Amazon tutorials, I have another video about how you can create an Amazon wish list, and I will add it right here. And please let me know if you'd like me to make more videos about Amazon, how to use some Amazon settings, how to make some things within Amazon, or any questions that you have. I will make a video about that for sure. I love having all of your requests, so please just comment down below what would you like me to do more videos about. If it's about Amazon, just let me know what you're interested in, and I will for sure schedule this video for the near future. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.